Learn how I made 1166 USD by using Bookmap and how you can use also it to make money. It was exactly this trade that I took here, which I exit, as you can see, by parts. Let me explain to you how I took it, but before, let's discuss about context. Remember, when you use a Bookmap in a task, it is this indicator, DOM level, heat map. It is the same as a Bookmap. You can see significant limit order that appeared. The most important when you use it is a context. What do I mean? You can see that market started beautiful trend day. Pay attention to a bigger time frame. Always pay attention to a bigger time frame. Price started day by sweeping range low. You can see sweeping range low, and they came back into value area of composite profile. After that, you can see it is a session. Session started here. It is a session VWAP, and we had a beautiful up rhythm. And pay attention what had happened here. Significant limit order appeared here as a Bookmap. After that, you can see massive delta absorption. That's why you can see uptrend, rhythm of a day, delta absorption, and significant limit order in a Bookmap. And together, as you can see, beautiful trade. By the way, if you also want to learn how to take such beautiful trade and make 1000 USD per trade, you can join our education program where we will help you from A to Z with learning how to work with the platform, how to use strategy for trend market, range market. Simply below this video, there would be special link, fill the form and join us. You can see there was quite significant delta absorption and the significant limit order that price broke through, as you can see exactly here with this delta. And that was a moment when I took this trade. I took 8 micro contract. When I started recording, I already moved stop loss into break even because price took high. You can see that I set limit orders to close by parts. I always close by parts because psychologically for me it is the easiest what I can do, because in some cases price would reverse, trend would stop, and still you would have at least some profit to cover commissions. That's why it's really need to do. Price started ranging. Honestly, I didn't like it because I thought there would be some bigger impulse. Because of that, I moved. It was exactly here. When I moved, you can see that would be within a few seconds. I would move my first limit order closer to close it to take back profit. You can see I closed first part, and after that, pay attention on a regular contract. There was this massive delta, and have a look. Micro stopped. Within a few seconds, you can see micro took my second limit order. After that, what I did, I moved this one because I saw many times how price reversed. After that, I had zero plan to risk it, and I booked biggest part of my profit. And after that, I wait and watched what would be with this order. My goal was simply, in a case of higher high, to close that trade. And I saw that price squeeze up. When price took this range high, I closed this trade and altogether made 1000 USD. That's example for you how beautifully you use together all other stuff as a trend, market structure, VWAP, confirmation, and you make decent trade. Another example for you of another trade that I took today, which wasn't successful. It was exactly here. You can see after that I tried to take additional 2 long high trades here. You can see these 2 long trades, and there also was this significant limit order. And pay attention what they did. They did a bigger drop, took my stop losses, and only after that started rising. That's example for you that sometimes Bookmap, it's not a holy grail, that sometimes price would take stop losses, all of this stuff. That's a reason why I use it only in a case for trend continuation, or when price in a range, and you see that price in a range, for example, a significant key level, like price here started creating a range, and for example, significant key level taken with massive delta and price stopped. After that, you can take reversal trade. What should you do right now? First, push like, join our education program. Second, I prepared for you a video tutorial about how to set up this indicator, how to use it by yourself. That's why I do it. Use this video. Have a good day.